100 articles, 10 YouTubers, but no one tells you where to start. Negotium Infinitum Academy gives you a clear path. Designed by professionals from top global investment banks. 10 topics, 100 lessons, from beginner to legacy planning. From personal finance basics to wealth transfer, this is your investing map. Topic 01. Personal finance basics. Turn your salary into assets. Topic 02. ETF Complete Introduction. Build a global portfolio with 5 ETFs. Topic 3. Retirement planning. Know exactly how much is enough. Topic 4. Macro and interest rates. Decode why the Fed moves rates. Topic 05. Financial statement analysis. Dissect Apple and TSMC's financials. Topic 06. Stock valuation methods. Value a company with DCF. Topic 7. Behavioral finance. Stop emotions eating your returns. Topic 08. Options. Introduction. Real-world uses of calls and puts. Topic 09. AI investing opportunities. The real AI opportunities and traps. Topic 10. Tax and wealth transfer. Pass wealth cleanly to the next generation. From 1 to 10, step by step. Each lesson is real-world experience from professional finance practitioners. Read financial statements. Build allocations. Weather volatility. Join Negotium Infinitum Academy today.